Have you ever made a financial decision you later regretted? We've all been there, caught up in the heat of the moment, letting our emotions dictate our choices, and ending up with a financial decision we wish we could take back. Perhaps it was an impulse purchase you couldn't afford, like that shiny new gadget or designer handbag that seemed so appealing at the time. Or maybe you panicked during a market downturn and sold off investments at a loss, only to watch them rebound shortly after. These moments of regret can be frustrating, even painful, leaving us wondering what we were thinking and how we could have been so short-sighted. The consequences of poor financial decisions can linger for years, setting us back from achieving our long-term goals and aspirations. But what if there was a way to approach your finances with a clear, focused mindset, free from the clutches of impulse and emotion? A way to make decisions rooted in rational thinking, aligned with your values and priorities. That's where the power of mindfulness comes in. What is mindfulness? At its core, mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment, fully aware of your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. It's about cultivating a state of calm, focused attention that allows you to engage with life as it unfolds, rather than being consumed by the past or worrying about the future. Mindfulness isn't about clearing your mind or suppressing emotions. It's about observing them objectively, without getting caught up in the constant stream of internal chatter and reactivity that so often drives our behavior. This practice of present moment awareness has its roots in ancient Buddhist traditions, but has gained widespread popularity in recent years as a secular tool for reducing stress, improving mental health, and enhancing overall well-being. The link between mindfulness and financial well-being. While mindfulness is often associated with meditation and stress reduction, its applications extend far beyond that. Numerous studies have shown a direct correlation between practicing mindfulness and improved financial decision-making. One of the key benefits of mindfulness is its ability to help regulate emotions. When faced with financial situations, our emotions can often run high, leading us to make rash decisions based on fear, greed, or anxiety. For example, during a market downturn, it's natural to feel a sense of panic or dread, which can lead to impulsive selling or other knee-jerk reactions that may be counterproductive in the long run. Mindfulness teaches us to observe our emotions objectively, without getting caught up in them, allowing us to respond more rationally and make better informed choices. Instead of reacting impulsively to a temporary market fluctuation, a mindful investor might take a step back, breathe deeply, and consider the situation from a more level-headed perspective, making decisions based on sound investment principles rather than fleeting emotions. Additionally, mindfulness enhances our ability to delay gratification and resist impulsive behavior. In our consumerist society, we're constantly bombarded with messages urging us to buy, the latest gadget, the trendiest fashion, the newest car. Mindless spending and impulse purchases can quickly derail our financial goals and leave us drowning in debt. By cultivating present moment awareness, we become less susceptible to the lure of instant gratification and better equipped to make long-term, goal-oriented financial decisions. Instead of mindlessly swiping our cards or tapping our phones, a mindful consumer might pause, take a few deep breaths, and ask themselves whether this purchase truly aligns with their values and priorities. Mindfulness practices for financial well-being. Incorporating mindfulness into your financial life can take many forms, and the beauty of these practices is that they can be easily integrated into your daily routine. Here are a few examples to get you started. 1. Mindful budgeting. Instead of mindlessly swiping your card or tapping your phone to make a purchase, take a moment to pause and be mindful of each expense. Ask yourself if this purchase aligns with your values and financial goals. Is it something you truly need or want? Or are you being influenced by external factors like advertising or peer pressure? This simple act of presence can help you make more conscious spending decisions and avoid unnecessary impulse buys. You might even consider setting a waiting period before making non-essential purchases, giving yourself time to reflect and ensure that the decision is truly aligned with your priorities. 2. Breath awareness. When faced with a high-stakes financial decision or feeling overwhelmed by money matters, take a few deep breaths. This simple act of mindfulness can help calm your mind and body, allowing you to approach the situation with greater clarity and objectivity. Instead of reacting impulsively to market fluctuations or external pressures, take a few moments to breathe deeply and ground yourself in the present moment. This can help you detach from the emotional turmoil and make decisions based on rational analysis rather than fear or greed. 3. Gratitude practice. In today's society, it's easy to get caught up in the constant desire for more, a bigger house, a fancier car, the latest gadgets. This mindset of scarcity and dissatisfaction can lead to poor financial decisions driven by a sense of lack or envy. Cultivating a sense of gratitude, on the other hand, can shift your mindset from one of scarcity to abundance. Take a few moments each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for, financially and otherwise. Appreciate the roof over your head, the food on your table, and the opportunities you have to grow and thrive. This practice of gratitude can help counteract the constant drive for more and foster a greater appreciation for what you already have. When you approach your finances from a place of abundance rather than lack, you're better equipped to make decisions that align with your true needs and values. 4. Mindful investing. Investing can be an emotional roller coaster, with the fear of missing out and the allure of quick gains often leading to poor decisions. It's easy to get caught up in the hype surrounding a hot stock or investment opportunity, only to later realize that you've made a hasty, ill-informed choice. By practicing mindfulness, you can approach investing with a more level-headed, long-term perspective. Instead of reacting impulsively to market fluctuations or chasing the latest trends, take a step back and engage in thorough research and analysis. Cultivate a mindset of patience and discipline, focusing on your long-term goals rather than short-term gains or losses. Remind yourself that volatility is a natural part of the investment process, and resist the temptation to make rash decisions based on fleeting emotions. Real-life examples of mindfulness in finance. Don't just take our word for it. Countless individuals and organizations have embraced mindfulness as a tool for financial success. Here are a few inspiring examples. Ray Dalio, the founder of Bridgewater Associates, one of the world's largest hedge funds, credits mindfulness practices with helping him make better investment decisions and cultivate a more productive work environment. In his book, Principles, Dalio emphasizes the importance of objective, rational decision-making and encourages his employees to embrace mindfulness techniques to achieve greater clarity and focus. Eileen Townsend, a financial advisor based in Los Angeles, uses mindfulness techniques with her clients to help them identify and overcome harmful money patterns and beliefs. By guiding her clients through exercises like breath awareness and present moment observation, Townsend helps them cultivate a more conscious relationship with their finances, enabling them to make decisions aligned with their deepest values and aspirations. Goldman Sachs, the global investment banking and financial services firm, has implemented mindfulness programs for its employees, recognizing the benefits of a calm, focused mindset in the high-pressure world of finance. The firm offers meditation classes, mindfulness workshops, and other resources to help its staff navigate the stress and emotional upheaval that often comes with working in the finance industry. These examples demonstrate that mindfulness is not just a fad or a niche practice. It's a powerful tool that is being embraced by individuals and organizations across the financial spectrum, from high-powered investors and advisors to major corporations. In a world of constant distractions, impulsive behavior, and emotional decision-making, embracing mindfulness can be a game changer for your financial life. By cultivating present moment awareness, regulating emotions, and approaching money matters with clarity and intention, you can make better financial choices, achieve your goals, and experience greater overall well-being. So, take a deep breath, let go of the past, and start your mindful financial journey today. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful and informative, please like it and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on mindfulness, personal finance, and achieving a life of balance and fulfillment. Together, we can create a more mindful, financially secure world, one decision at a time.